VVPR, Vivo Powers Tembo,
All right,
confirmed
guys. Well,
heads of
hopefully
agreement,
that did
exclusivity
the
extension for
thing.
$838 million merger with CCTS. That's an updated release now.
So, July 3rd, gonna have an early close
Exclusivity period
today.
for heads of agreement extended to July
Keep
31st.
that
That's
in mind.
VVPR.
I still haven't got through my little routine here. We look at news. Let's see. We got global services PMI in 14 minutes. Then we got some durable goods numbers and stuff, and then non-manufacturing PMI in 30 minutes. So, swell.
S&P 500 0.86 points. Dow Jones Industrial Average up
All right, we got a
49.56.
range of
Nasdaq down 8 after the open.
$80. Okay. All right. Well, um, so really, um, all I want for Christmas is I want to get my 26K across the finish line today, if I could. That would be, or the 25K. And definitely seems like a doable thing. Um, we just need to, it's 180 bucks. 100 and no, wait,
KOS says cost spiking to the high
$120,
$6.05. Kilo
and it'll be
Oscar
over the
Sandy
finish line.
Sandy.
Seems like that is achievable, right?
China's Xi meets with Russia's Putin. That from state media.
So what did I say? I said we got
AVGO
below that
Broadcom getting a
liquidity
pop to the
zone.
high 1681
All-time highs up there. I
22,
think
up
it
one and
is.
a quarter
Yeah.
percent after that earlier insider buy reported by Nancy Pelosi.
Um, don't forget we got news at 7. We got news at 45. All right. Don't think I have very much in the way of like confessions. I did take trades um,
SCNI, Sinai
offline,
Immunotherapeutics granted extension by the
um,
NASDAQ to regain
but they were all just
compliance.
kind of straightforward scalps. Nothing fancy. Didn't hurt myself anywhere. Just kind of
That's Sandy Charlie November India.
did my thing. Anybody know if the regular stock market closes early today? I don't think it does, but I will
FFWM, First
definitely
Foundation,
look here.
popping here. Foxtrot, Whiskey, Michael. Company raising $228 million in capital investment. That's Foxtrot, Whiskey, Michael. Share is still down
Just
about
running a little bit
14%.
behind. I apologize for that.
FFWM.
And really don't even have, it's a half day. A couple, PMI news is, they always hurt me. They always hurt me. So
Coming up at 9:45, the S&P Global Services PMI for
I
June,
do want to say thank
55.1, the
you.
consensus,
Thank everyone
and
for
the composite PMI 54.6, the consensus.
thank you guys for using my code, and I appreciate that. I'm gonna drop it in chat just in case, and appreciate you guys. So what do you guys think? Right here, is this a dip? A little more might be a little scary. Yeah, that would have been just fine, right? Not really a high day reject, but maybe it is. It's got plenty of speed. Had my finger on the button there, but maybe not enough caffeine yet. I don't know.
KOSS costs continue to pop here now.
Only gotta make 120 bucks. Come on, it's not that hard. Go, baby, go. But man, we're kind of just sitting on a cliff here. Definitely might want that again. We got some pretty significant news here in 7 minutes, and all I want to do is scalp 100 bucks. So I did get a 150K account yesterday. Picked that up. I kind of like the ratios better on the 150. I think the profit target is 9K and your drawdown is 6K. And it has that same deal with the 80% off and then a $85 lifetime if you get it passed by August. So there is that. Dang it! I should have just jumped in. All we need is this much. We literally need a quarter of an inch. Not even a quarter of an inch. Tiny, 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 tiny bit. And now we got 5 minutes off news. and then it's a half day, so we don't get all day to be patient. Oh, all this pressure, all this pressure. All right, I need to go to the little boys' room. I'll be right back.
TME, Tango Michael Echo, Tencent Music, getting a pop here. It's an Investors Business Daily Swing Trader buy. That's Tango Michael Echo.
Dang, I thought I'd come back and there'd be
IMMX, MX
big
Biopharma
move.
getting a pop here to the high. India Michael X-ray. Coming up, the S&P Global Services PMI for June, 55.1, the consensus. Composite PMI, 54.6, the consensus. That's coming up in 1 minute.
All right, well, I guess I didn't get a trade in before. Got to break the seal. Maybe I'll just trade that 150. Our brand new shiny 150. Yeah, I think I'll do that. And we'll switch this over here. Alright. We gotta break higher, break lower. Hard to know. About 30 seconds on that.
IVP, Inspire Veterinary, getting a pop here to the highs now. $2.95, up about 120% at the high for India Victor Papa.
So are we supposed to be taking the day off? I don't know.
S&P Global Composite PMI 54.8 versus 54.6 expected. Services PMI 55.3 versus 55.1.
Well, that was a nothing burger, huh?
S&P futures right now are
flat. Let's go
up
with
about 0.75.
Okay. Let's go. Wow.
GME GameStop moving to the highs now, up 2.8%. Golf Michael Echo.
And then, all right, so that huge news was non-event. And then we got another one here in 15 minutes. Maybe we can get our trade in. And it looks like we're going to go higher. Okay, gonna move back to this 25K account. It's just important to me that I pass it. So we already slowed down a lot. Let's see here. Okay, a little bigger wash. Come on, baby. You can do it. Well, I guess the good thing is we haven't chased anything yet.
BYND, Beyond Meat, out with a release. A blog post said Beyond the original orange chicken is back at Panda Express. That's Bravo Yankee November Delta BYND.
What do you guys think? We just chase this box all day? Puppy's just giving my old man dog a hard time right now. They kind of want to eat each other. Not very decent dips here, just grindy. I think we're actually just starting to trend, which is not the best for me. It's not what I trade, but need something a little bit fast. A little panic sell or a wash. Might not get it. I'll be a little frustrated if we don't get that 25K through today. $117. All we need. 117 bucks. And it's just grinding higher. it's not like I can trade this afternoon. Just gonna have to balls up and take what it is. Damn it. Maybe we got more PMI here in a minute. Durables, excluding defense, durables, excluding transits, factory orders, non-manufacturing PMI, non-manufacturing prices, June, 2 minutes.
Coming up at 10, durables X defense for May. Factory orders for May, month-over-month consensus is plus 0.2%. ISM non-manufacturing PMI for June, 52.6 expected.
Alright, so I'm gonna hang out through this news cycle here a minute. I gotta run to the airport here. Pick up some family in a second. Totally sad about that. To be honest. Not that I don't want to see my family, just okay, we're gonna get a decent wash here. Of course, we are right at the news release. Sitting on hands. Man, this is frustrating. Boom. Wow. Almost guarantee.
Factory orders month-over-month minus 0.5% versus plus 0.2% expected. Durables X defense minus 0.2%.
11 fucking dollars.
Same as previous.
11.
ISM non-manufacturing PMI 48.8 versus 52.6 expected. S&P futures getting a quick pop to the high and pulling back.
Oh, come on. Fucking go, dude. Just pop. Little pop. Little pop. No. Don't fucking fuck me here, bastards. Did we make it? Yeah! Alright. Sweet. We got it through. That was my only goal today. see if we can get everybody else straighted. I gotta go though. Are we just happy with that 150 bucks, baby? Sure.
Costs another spike here now, $6.79, up 55%. That's KOSS.
Target price on that one. Still has 8.6. Probably should trade this. Just stupid 8 tick scalp on this one. Kind of dumb. Alright, and then if anyone cares, here's the news that came out. Bearish PMIs, bearish non-manufacturing prices, which is probably bullish under the inflationary pressures. I don't know. I just don't know, right? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. But we got that PA through, so that one might be on track for a payout on the 15th. That's kind of my thought there, is we get that guy paid out on the 15th. Get this other PA paid out. That'll be $3 grand. Not sure we can get this guy through. Maybe we can. And then we just need to get this 150 passed, and this guy's it's fine. It's fine. All right, I will be back in 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll be back in 5 minutes, and then I need to bug out, go to the airport, and take care of some stuff.
Coming up at 10:30, crude a draw of 400,000 expected. Distillates a draw of 1.1 million. Gasoline a draw of 1.5 million. That's coming up at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time in about 21 minutes. KOSS cost getting a pop to the high, $7.25. Kilo Oscar Sandy Sandy. Continued heavy volume in KOSS. SHOP Shopify at the highs of the day now. Sandy Hotel Oscar Papa up about 1.7%. SHOP. KOSS, more highs now, up 82%. Kilo Oscar Sandy Sandy. Costs now halted at the highs on a circuit breaker, KOSS. DJT, Trump Media getting a little pop here, up 2%. Delta Juliet Tango, DJT. KOSS costs another pop here after resuming. $8.39. up 94%.